I gotta clip my thing in. All right, guys, here we are at the Brown Saddle. Eddie did make it today. And when he shows up, he shows up. He's here, dude. He's here and he's ready to shred. Woo! So let's do this. Look at him go. Such a beautiful day, you guys. Eddie is just going, man. He's going good. Second little kicker jump here. Oh yeah. You were going, dude. What's the drop on that post?
I think it's 175.
Wow.
Pretty long. Because I'm a shorty, you know?
Yeah, but I don't know, it doesn't look that long.
Maybe it's 150. We can look it up.
Yeah. Let me clip my thing real quick.